and just ride your runner, right? Gonna see where it went? I don't know. Let's find out. I'll go to 500 times and see where the thing went. I'm 500 times right now. Power meter hadn't even changed to green yet. That's right at a predictor right there. See, I'm going too fast, but see how that predictor even worked? I mean, how much better can trading get than predictors? Really? I mean, look at that. That was another trade right there. I've got it going too fast to trade, obviously. It's 500 times. Way too fast to trade. There's another predictor that just worked. Could have bought support just like we said a little while ago. You got it your little trade. There's a phantom trade. 500 times. Let's see if we can get something on this just for the fun of it. Look at that. See there? It just flat works. That's all there is to it. And notice how this one, I just did the phantom trade. And by the way, this was going 500 times. But see that phantom? Reason I took that phantom, where's my swing? It's all the way back here. Is that a lower high? And the answer is yes. Did this one count yet when it didn't take out that low? No. So what do? Well, if they can't take out lows, they go higher to like phantom and then they roll over. Everybody sees that? Predictor worked. Another predictor more than likely worked, at least for that scalp anyway. Didn't take out the lows, so we probably need to go higher. This could be changing trends. We'll find out. Yep, it's changing trends. What do y'all think? Right down here? It's going too fast for me to grab it, but I would have grabbed it right there. That's good enough. See if we can get a scalp. There you go. Just grabbed another scalp. Everybody see how to trade that? And to utilize our tools, whether you use market or anything else, and we're working very diligently to improve Object Trader to where it will see these trades in real time. And if you will just simply go for these little scalps and break evens, worked, didn't work, right? Now we're into the change of color, not yet. That's the end of the day right there. So you probably wouldn't have gotten these trades here unless you turn off this feature right here. Required trend only would be turned on normally. If you turned off required trend, you could take that trade even. Okay. So I think you'll like that feature. And keep in mind that if a person were to use it all the time like we teach, remember this trade I missed in the room on Friday because my internet went bad? But look where the box was. Even if you took that trade right there, just a monster nice move. Takes you out of your lightning, goes back in a predictor, goes back in another predictor, and another predictor. Okay, everyone here. Everybody remember this right here? Right at the open. But if you draw your lines, you know, across the tops of your charts and, you know, where your resistance is and stuff like that, there's a phantom, or not a phantom, but a mid-band trade that worked. Remember we got that one? Monster nice trade. Remember that? Another predictor trade. Another predictor trade. And wasn't this even another predictor trade? Does it mean that you couldn't have taken some longs down in here like I just showed earlier? No, but look at your medium swing is right here. Your low swing is right, low swing is right here, right? So isn't that your high? So you have a low, a high, a lower low. Till they take that out, they're not changing trends. See there? And they just kept bouncing in that area. So you short these tops at these predictors, right? Sometimes when you box them in, you got to know, kind of where to box them in, and you got to scalp them. Remember, I think even Charles got a little whipped around in here on Friday. It was a choppy one. But if you were a predictor trader, there was some pretty good trades on here. Trade here, trade here, trade here, trade here. That trade obviously wouldn't have worked here, but I don't know if you would have taken it when it didn't take out the lows, right? A phantom trade. Otherwise, they'll just whip you around like a stepchild. They really will. See how they come to the predictor and bounce, predictor and bounce. If you get two predictors in a row and you don't take out the top, go for lower like phantom, you got another trade. And it looks like you're getting another one for Monday. High, low, higher high. So this is your medium swing right here, right? And this is kind of a sweet spot right here for a bounce. More than likely. Okay?